Today we're talking about new construction again. And again in Morgan Hill, because who doesn't like a brand new build? And these are beautiful. I toured them yesterday. KB Homes, they have a new community of a mixture of single family homes, townhomes, and duets. Duets are really popular down here in Morgan Hill, if you don't know. It's basically a single family home with one shared wall in the middle, and they're just little groups of two throughout the whole community. They really live and feel like a single family home other than the shared wall. They don't feel as much like a townhome because they don't have those 3 levels, so less stairs. It feels more single family. They're also PUD, so you own the land underneath the home. So let's get into it. I'm not gonna do too much detail, but I'm gonna let you look at the beautiful little tours that I did yesterday on the videos behind me. First is the single family homes, and there are a total of 57 single families. There's 3 plans. 2 of the plans have a 2-car side-by-side garage, and 1 of them has a tandem garage. And the pricing is from $1.339 million to $1.334 million to $1.354 million. So the mid 1.3s for those single families. Square footage, they range from 2,018 to 2,045 to 2,111 square feet. So they're all really similar square footage, just different layout and plan options. Then you have the duets, and they are really similar in price, but they're bigger square footage. And one of them is really cool because it has an ADU option over the garage to help offset mortgage if you wanted to rent it out. It's got a completely separate entrance, although it is the same address as the home itself. So the duets are bigger. They're 2,345 square feet, 2,356, and 2,529. That's the biggest one, and that's the one with that ADU option. There are 3 bedrooms all the way to 5-bedroom options. So pretty large. They start at $1.329 million and they go up to $1.404 million. They have the townhomes, the 3-level ones, but those are in a far out phase where they don't really have plans and pricing yet. I do want to talk HOA though. So this community is going to offer some really cool community offerings like a basketball court, a outdoor fitness area, a communal theater area. They also have a clubhouse and a pool, which is really cool, and all for only under $300 a month. I think in the $270 to $280 range is what they're projecting per unit for HOA, which is really good because they have a lot of homes to split the HOA between, whereas a lot of the other new construction is a smaller number of units in the community, hence higher HOAs with actually less amenities for their competitors. If you get approved with their KB lender, you are going to qualify for their $10,000 closing cost credit. Their earliest move-ins are going to be in April of this year and in 2027 for the townhomes. Those phases, again, like I said, are pretty far out. But they do have a design studio. They're early enough in the process to where if you go and you select one of the lots that you want, you'll be notified. You'll be on their VIP list, and you will be notified to go select your fixtures and your finishes. The prices that I mentioned were base prices for like base materials, everything you wanted to upgrade on top of that. So for instance, an upgraded counter, an extra backsplash, a nice tile shower wall. All of those fixtures and features are options, but they add on top of that base price that I mentioned before. And then next is solar. They do have solar purchase options and solar lease options there because all new construction in California has to have that. If you have any questions or if you want to go tour, feel free to drop me a comment or a DM. I'd love to go take you on a tour over there. They were beautiful. I know you'll love them too.